traffic. I like that.
Well, let's hope it stays that way.
Okay, you guys all got your disguises in place?
What's this?
Your book is dry.
It's pretty. Oh! What's this? It's pretty. Let's go see, dear.
Bet we'll find something spooky in the forest for Smajean's costume. What do you reckon, Captain?
I reckon you're right.
But doesn't the Banshee live in the forest?
No, Tucci. Remember what Chart said. They're just a story.
Great!
Guys, Ralph, hand me the blowtorch.
Blowtorch? Who said anything about a blowtorch?
It is just a toy to want to play.
How are we supposed to cut through the bars if nobody brought stuff to cut with?
I brought some hot mustard. Maybe that'll eat through the bars.
Eat through the bars? Animal? Hey, why don't you see if you can eat through these iron bars?
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze yet. Yeah. I do.
Oh no!
Snuffy's gonna sneeze!
I do.
I'll be back, I promise!
Uh-oh! I think we're under attack!
And it's gonna get worse.
Quick, let's run away as fast as we can in a straight line!
Are you all right?
I don't know. It was more stupid. The fact that that was your solution, or that was just to follow you.
I think it was more stupid that you pointed it out.
No, don't do it there!
We need to shoot.
Go for the theaters. They've given up on life anyway.
Way over here.
I kill!
Are you all right?
I'm gonna sneeze yet. Yeah.
Nope, but Gonzo can.
Quick! Call that incredible!
Hey, Fozzie, what's that cheap cologne you're wearing?
Yeah, I haven't smelled anything like that since I was stationed in Marseille.
That's not me. That's this letter here that Miss Piggy asked me to give to John.